Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So for today I'm going to be trying hair grease on my natural hair. Got my hands on the Blue Magic. This is for my husband, so I nicked it from him. I've just been using natural friendly things, so I've not used grease on my hair since I became natural. I used to use this when I was relaxed. This is Blue Magic conditioning hair dress. It says it's an anti-breakage formula that gives effective hair conditioning that lasts for days without being greasy. You can get this from the beauty supply. It's kind of what it looks like. Like I said, I got this from my husband. He cuts his hair, so it's not like a natural hair thing, so he uses this regularly. I kind of nicked this today to try it on my hair. It says anti-breakage. I stopped using it was because it's not very natural hair friendly. So when I became natural, I was like going with the natural hair crowd as well and doing just oils, olive oil and things like that, coconut oil that were natural hair friendly. Because of the ingredients in here, it's got a few things that are not friendly. It's got petrolatum, it's got lanolin, it's got some mineral oil. Mineral oil is not a natural hair friendly because it kind of clogs the pores. It's got alcohol in here, it's got fragrance and perfume, so it's not very natural hair friendly. I'm not going to be putting this on my scalp. I will put it on my hair but not on my scalp because I don't want to clog the pores or anything. It's like a experiment today to see how it feels. I've never smelled it before, but I don't like the smell. It really smells like petroleum, a bit like foil. But hey, I'm gonna try on my head today. I can always wash it out if I don't like it. I'm just gonna take out this side of it and try here and just try the front side of my hair and just see how it feels on it. I'm not gonna put it on my scalp like I said. I'm just gonna put it on the on the hair itself, but not on the scalp. I'm just gonna spritz my hair with a bit of water. I'm gonna take a tiny bit, just slap it on the hair. See how it feels. I don't like the smell. It just smells like something else because it doesn't look that bad on the hair actually. I'm gonna do like a braid out. This is what it doesn't feel that bad actually. It feels okay. The sun is coming in, but you know, this is just how it looks. It feels greasy on my hands. I've not used this much grease on my hair for a long time. It says it keeps hair natural and promotes healthier hair and scalp condition. No, I'm not gonna use it on my scalp, but I'm gonna use it on my hair. Just brushing it out, getting all the tangles out, and then I'm just gonna braid hair. Show you how to do it when I get to the other part. So I braid to the side, then I'm gonna do a twist out at the bottom. So when I get to the end, I sort of just twist it like so. So I tend to swirl it like so. Spritz water in here. So that's water in there. Then I'm gonna take the Blue Magic and I just apply it. This is the Blue Magic on the hair. And like I said, I'm not gonna put it on my scalp. I'm just gonna put it on the hair. And then I'm gonna kind of detangle with a brush, a comb, with my white tooth comb. It does have a nice slip to it. It's like a sealant. It looks like something that would just seal in the moisture in the hair. Step to do the braid out, you divide it into 3 places. So this is 1, 2, 3. So I've divided the hair into 3 places. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Then I'm now gonna kind of braid. So hold it by the roots separately. So I'm holding this one with this hand here tightly like so. So I'm holding this one like so, and then I hold this one in this side, then I hold the last one like so. Try hold it as tight as I can, and then what I'm gonna do is move this one, move it this way, move this one this way, carrying this one, hold this one, and just continue like so. So I move this in here like so. I think you just have to watch to see how to do it. I'll push this one like so, and just like that. That's how the braid starts. Then I'm gonna push this in here, and I'm dragging it to so it stays tight. So I move this way, this one move this way, this move this on top of here like so, move it like so, move it like so. When I get to this place, I'll brush it a bit, and then I kind of divide the hair into two places like so, and turn it into a twist. Then I just twist, so like so, twist, 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 till I get to the bottom of the hair. Get to the end, I then twirl it like so. So I'm just twirling the end like so, because you want it to be coily at the bottom. Do 5 here, 5 here, and that's it. Finish the braid twist out. So I did 5 on this side and I did 5 on this side. I'm just gonna let it air dry. I'm just gonna tie with a scarf, go to bed, and I'll come back tomorrow and take it out. This is the next day, guys. I tied mine in a scarf and I just went to bed. The hair is dry now, so using the anti-jockey edge control, just gonna tie it down with a scarf. It stay in place. This is like 5 minutes or so, so I'm just gonna take out the scarf. I'm gonna take out the braid, gonna put this on my hands just to make it easy for me to take out the braid. Doesn't feel dry, it feels quite okay. So I do think it does condition the hair. It does, because it doesn't look dried out or anything. It looks really defined, because if I didn't use gel, it doesn't look dry or testy. It feels okay. It doesn't feel greasy as well. Yeah, I'm not much of a fan of the way it smells though. It just smells really there's definitely petrolatum on it. It smells really not what I'm used to. It's not very natural. Yeah, it doesn't smell natural. But it's not bad. It's not too soft, not dry. So it does condition the hair, because this doesn't feel dry at all. It feels okay. It feels nice and defined. So I'm okay. I'm just gonna take out the other side and I'm just gonna come back to kind of fluff it out. So I've kind of separated it as much as I can. It looks a bit okay, but not as defined. But that's the thing. If you want it, I didn't take my time. You need to take your time when separating it. But it looks okay to me. It looks like it looks okay. It looks defined still. Looks fairly okay. I'm not gonna kind of fluff it out. So I'm gonna get my pick comb And what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna fluff out the root. To fluff hair out is literally to go like this. So you're just pushing it out to make it fuller. So you're just pushing it out like so, and you're not dragging it out because you're just gonna take out all the definition you've just done. So it's really just at the bottom, you're just fluffing the bottom out. In terms of my thoughts, so yeah, this is kind of what it came out as. I think it is what it is. It's not the most natural of ingredients in hair. It feels nice. I don't like the smell. I think I've kind of babied my hair for a while now, so I'm not. Will I use it again? I don't think so. And I'm gonna just stick with my natural hair product. So I hope you found it helpful. If you did, don't forget to give me a like. And if you're new, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.